Encountering a not registered on network error on your H2O wireless phone means your SIM card isn't properly authenticated with the network. This prevents calls, texts, and data usage. Since H2O Wireless has transitioned to Verizon's Visible brand, troubleshooting involves Visible systems. First, ensure your SIM card is correctly inserted. Then, power cycle your device by turning it off and on. If the error persists, the next steps involve SIM provisioning and manual network selection, which we'll cover in more detail. To fix the not registered on network error, start with SIM provisioning. Download the Visible app since H2O is now visible, and activate your SIM card by entering the ICCID found on the SIM card itself. This process links your SIM to Verizon's network and can take between 1 to 24 hours. If provisioning doesn't automatically resolve the issue, manually select Verizon or Visible in your phone's network settings. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Network Operators, and search for Networks. Selecting Verizon manually forces your device to register. These steps should resolve most registration issues. If problems continue, contact Visible support for assistance, particularly if you haven't migrated from a legacy H2O SIM.